This video we're going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Namibia. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, the very first thing you need to check that whether you need a visa or not for any purpose to any country, because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, and also based on other visas you have, you may or may not need a visa. And once you determine, you should always check the requirements process as per the area you live in. Okay, because based on your area there could be some specific steps, fee, documents. Let's say like when I search for Namibian embassy, I'm being redirected to the one in Washington DC because that's here in North America. In your region, it could be different. So if you go to consular services, here we have application for visa or permit. Okay, now we have reached. So if you require, what are you gonna do? Application form, we are gonna do that. Okay, valid passport at least 6 months of validity. Okay, and with three or more blank page, two colored photographs. But can given a self address prepaid envelope from DHL FedEx. Okay, uh, okay, so that they can send it your document to you. Cash, money order, certified check, bank check, personal check will not be accepted. Wow. It must be in US. I would suggest like send certified checks. Okay, that's be better. Business address stating the nature of visit if applicable. Yeah. Proof of confirmed return ticket, copy attached again. Copy of legal residence in country. Okay. So this like embassy is acts for, yeah, the presidents, people in these countries, including Canada. So that's why you need to prove legal stay. But yeah, if you're a Canadian citizen, you can attach your passport. That itself will be sufficient. Okay. Proof of confirmed hotel reservation or tour or safari confirmation like your stay. Okay. Proof of financial statement for a period of 6 months. Okay, fine. If invited, show proof of legal status of inviter. Okay. This is for official and diplomatic passport holder, so I'm not gonna go into that. Okay. Are strongly encouraged to provide an email address in case additional documents are needed. Yes, that's true. You should provide an email so that they can contact you right away. All documents must be in English. Okay, yeah. All right, guys. So now we'll go through that. Fee is given $50 for three single into 3 months, multiple into $100. And they're gonna take minimum of 3 working days, so it may take even more also. Then around the date application for received. Okay. All right. You can the address they have given. Fine. Now let's go through the application form. This section is official. Don't do that. This is editable. You can enter surname, first name, maiden name, or both. Okay. General marital status. Have you any time applied for permanent settle in Namibia? Refused indeed ordered to leave any country. Then if you have given answer anything here, you need to provide information. Passport details, present address, okay, occupation, your employment information. If you are being accompanied, you need to provide their information. How much money you have access to. Okay, complete only part A or B. The part is for holiday, business, work or transit visa. Part B is for return visa. So we won't go into that. Intended date and port of arrival in Namibia. What's the purpose of your tour? Duration of intended visit. Might provide other details. Okay. If medical, then provide the details. And that's it. It's pretty simple. Signature is there, definitely, that you should sign. Date and signature. Don't forget this. Fine, and you can send, and if granted, you are all good to go. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.